It's time to build a snow castle with the puzzle event that's currently going on Rollercoin, and we've also got a race tournament that's currently going on. Let's check it all out right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so let's kick it off with the race tournament. On my screen here, you can see the Rollercoin homepage, and you can see that we have a race tournament that's currently going on. At the time of recording this video, there's still 5 hours and 38 minutes remaining. So by the time the video will be up, it will be a little less than that, but you should be able to have some time to be able to complete the race tournament, or at least be a participant in the race tournament as well. In order for you to enter the race tournament this time, you do need to buy RLT. It's always written here, and when you actually start the race tournament, when you're not in the race tournament yet, there are a set of instructions of what you need to do in order to enter any race tournament that there is. It's always going to be the same mission, let's call it mission, that you need to complete. This time it is buy RLT. So when you exchange from your crypto to RLT, you'll be entering the race tournament. For every 1 RLT that you exchange, you'll be getting 1,000 points. I've exchanged 10 RLT and I'm currently at position 35 with 10,000 points. In first place, we've got this roller here. I can't really pronounce that, 40 impage. And in first place, if you manage to get to first place, this roller here has 140,000 points, meaning that they exchanged 140 RLT. So if we click on the miner here, it's Polar Pendulum. That can't be sold, and it'll give you 5.7 petahash per second. You get 1,000 RST and 10,000 in temporary bonus power. In second place, we've got Seeker at the moment with Belle de Duo, and this is the epic version of Belle de Duo. It also can't be sold. It's got 2.5 petahash per second. And in third place, there's Miner 15 at the moment with the epic Roller Mini Express, which can't be sold, and it'll give you 2.1 petahash. As you can see, in second and third place, you also get RST 900 and 800 respectively, and 5 petahash a piece temporary bonus power. Okay, pretty tight competition at the moment between the third and second place, not that far off, and even between the first place. Okay, so especially from the fourth place here, we've got Killer Abs, who only needs 1,000 points to be in third place. Okay, so it'll be tight until the very end, I am sure. Okay, now the next event that we have going on at the same time of the race tournament is the puzzle event. So remember, when you're exchanging your crypto for RLT and actually buying RLT, there might be some tasks also in the puzzle event that you'll be hitting as well. So you can get potentially double, even triple the rewards. Okay. So what I want to point out as well, that when you exchange Solana at the moment, there is a 25% discount going on Solana. So here you can see the 25% discount on Solana. I don't know how long that will last. It might be until the end of today, pretty much at 3 p.m. UTC time, or tomorrow. Normally it's 1 or 2 days, and I believe this started yesterday, so it might be until tomorrow. So you can exchange your Solana for RLT. You'll be getting more RLT and spending less of your crypto when doing this with the 25% discount. You'll also be getting 1,000 points for each 1 RLT that you exchange from your crypto, and that will give you those 1,000 points for cheaper pretty much, and you'll be entering that race tournament as well. In the puzzle event, we can also see the tasks here, and when you're exchanging, like I've already exchanged 10 at the moment, so I'm almost there for the 12 as well. Okay, so if I exchange another 2, I'll be getting another one right there, another task completed right there. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and claim this 3. So every time you claim, you get a random prize from the puzzle, like previous puzzle events, and you also go up 1 place in the progression bar at the top. For 3 tasks completed, you'll get the first reward, which is the evergreen at 60 terahash per second, and this cannot be sold as well. If you complete another 3 tasks on top of those first 3, you'll go up another, and you'll get 820 terahash. Also cannot be sold with the Shamanic. Another 3 and you'll get the Frost Fort. Okay, this cannot be sold. Again, 3.7 petahash per second for the Frost Fort. Another 3, you'll go up. and you'll get another Frost Fort, the same exactly. So you can potentially merge those two Frost Fort miners, okay? Also, I've mentioned the Evergreen here and the Shamaniac miners. You can merge those if you manage to get them from the random pieces here. So you can merge and even keep one there as well to keep that 1% bonus. If you do merge, you'll get more than 1% more power, and you'll be entitled to both the bonuses of those miners, because one will be the uncommon version if you merge it, and the other will be the common version. So those are still considered different type of miners. Even though they're the same miner, there's still a different level of miner. So both bonus points will count in that regard. Okay, last but not least, if you manage to complete all the tasks, all 16 tasks, you will get the Frost Fort, but it will be the uncommon version, and it will give you a nice 9.7 petahash per second. Again, this cannot be sold, okay? For each and every task you're completing, a random piece is revealed from here. For each 3, you'll still get the random piece from here, and you'll also get the reward in the progression bar accordingly. The only difference is that from 12 to 16, there is 4 tasks required to complete, like the previous puzzle event that we had before the last season had ended as well. Okay, so very similar to that. Going through the tasks very quickly, we've seen already that Exchange 3 RLT was there, and I've completed that. Win 40 games, open 3 lucky cases, merge 180 parts, exchange 12 RLT, win 60 games, 12 lucky cases, exchange 34 RLT, win 80 games, open cases, exchange 64 RLT, win 120 games, open 64 lucky cases, exchange 98 RLT, win 150 games, open 98 lucky cases, exchange 3 RLT, which I mentioned already and I have claimed. So if I just exchange another 2, I'll be able to get the exchange 12 RLT task as well. There are quite a few games that you can play, so if you manage to play 150 games, you'll be getting all of the game tasks straight away as well, and that will potentially boost you up straight away. You'll easily get the first prize and possibly even the second one with the games and by opening a few loot boxes, okay? So just remember that there is that 25% discount on Solana going on at the moment, so the exchange RLT one will have a 25% discount. So when you're actually exchanging, for example, 98 RLT, so it's not all that much now, 98, okay? In other previous puzzle events, it used to be like 112. So to get 98 RLT, you're actually spending 25% less of your crypto. So technically, you'll be spending a quarter less, all right? So you'll be spending around $23, 23 RLT less, literally 23 fiat currency from the value of your crypto less in order to get 98 RLT, okay? That is pretty much it. You can see the rewards here. There are quite a few 200 terahash for 7 days temporary bonuses here. There's actually 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually of them. There's the Yuletide Trek at 3.1 petahash with 1.96% bonus. The Evergreens and the Shamaniac we've seen already. A few RST, I've already got 80 RST, you just saw me get that when I claimed one of my tasks. And there is also 120 RST and 400 RST there as well, so that you can spend in the season store. Another Yuletide Track, these are both the rare versions, so you can potentially merge those into an epic miner as well, with more power and more bonus power. And that is pretty much it for the puzzle event as well. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. Until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.